So this is our dual angle sanding file set from Micromesh. These files are very flexible, they're two-sided, so you get double the usage. So that it'll adhere to the contour of what you're sanding. And we have a range of grits here, so you just have a lot of choices in terms of grits, a lot of flexibility from 60 to 12,000 in terms of grit. So really coarse to really, really fine. And of course, it's great for wood, metal, plastics, fiberglass, almost any surface, and very adaptable and very usable dual angle sanding file set from Micromesh.